show, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, giving your favorite dishes. But anyway, I did it quite a few times, and you know what I mean, it's a must. These things, I love these things, you know what I mean, I love it, you know what I mean. Someone written on my YouTube channel, I said, Chef Ricardo, I can't find a stew chicken, I can't find a brown stew chicken. Do it again, do it again, do it again, do it again. And you know what I mean, I just decided people person just keep writing, I'm gonna do your stew chicken again, and again, and again. But anyway, I'm gonna show you how to marinate the stew chicken, alright? Because the person wanna know how to marinate the stew chicken. This is my chicken inside of this bowl. Roughly I got 2 kilos of chicken, which is 2 pounds of chicken. 2 pounds of chicken and 2 kilos of chicken, that's 2 pounds. So basically what I want to simply say to you, I wash out my chicken with some white vinegar, and you can use lemon juice. It's up to you, optional. I love you guys, I love you so much. Anyway, fresh piece of thyme again, you know what I mean, as you, John, I always loving using fresh season. Fresh thyme, just like this, on your meat. Half a white onion, cut up very small. I love cooking. I love cooking, guys. Serious thing. Simple. I got 3 cloves of garlic. I'm basically cut it up very small. Nice one. Beautiful, 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 guys. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. You guys gonna love this one. Second thing, I got 1 spark of spring onion right here. Simple, small. Just cut it up very small. Lovely. Straight inside of it, lovely, like just like that, guys. Beautiful. Second thing, olive oil or vegetable oil, whatever oil you like to use. You know what I mean? I normally use my olive oil and vegetable oil. Whatever oil you like to use, I don't know what you like to use. So it's up to you. Second thing, a tablespoon of browning. That's my browning I normally use for my meat. You know what I mean? A lot of people say, "How Chef Ricardo, what you doing? This, that, red, this." Browning is bam! It shut up everything. Anyway, season time. I'm gonna put some all chicken seasoning. This is 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning. This one is all-purpose seasoning. 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. All right. This is what's going on in the kitchen, guys. Yes. Then next thing. 1 large spoon of paprika. This is paprika. This one, paprika, 1 large spoon. As you can see, is a lot. That is a lot, guys. Seriously, that's a lot. That's a lot of that. Lovely. All right, ketchup. 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Lovely. This is your favorite. I know you like it. Then browning. Tablespoon of browning. Lovely and nice. My browning is finished now. Finished. I got more. I'll make you guys see exactly what's going on here. I'm never out of browning. See next buckle? I don't even pull it yet. So I'm never out of browning. Lovely. Look at that color in the buckle, in the glass, guys. Lovely and nice. Anyway, what we're gonna do now? Put on the gloves and marinate it up. You can add more garlic, more seasoning, whatever you want to add to it. You know what I mean? Optional. If you want to add more stuff, you can add more stuff. It's up to you guys. So basically, as you can see, what Chef Ricardo been doing right here. This is not like some joke thing, all right? This is a serious thing. This is business when it comes to the meat thing. All right? Lovely and nice. So basically, I got a bag right here and I'm gonna put my meat inside of it because I'm marinate my meat from tonight. But you know what happened, guys? I'm gonna cook this for Sunday. So I'm giving it 48 hours to soak. Listen, 48 hours to soak your meat. So I'm not even going any further. You must know what Chef Ricardo is all about right here, and it's a 48 hours. You know that's long. Alright? So as you can see, I'm putting it straight inside of the bag. This can go straight inside of my fridge. And when I put it inside of my fridge, I don't need to open that fridge until Sunday. So the next video what you're gonna see is how to cook it. Are you happy with it, guys? Let me know. Write it below and tell me if you're happy with it. Basically, if you want to add some more season to your meat, it's free. You're free. You can do that, guys. But basically, for me, I'm trying to cut back on salt. Most of these seasons got a lot of salt inside of them, so be careful. Don't add salt. All right. So this is the way I'm doing my brown stew chicken at the moment, and I'm telling you guys, seriously, when this done like this, it's gonna be really nice, beautiful, soaking so properly. You will love it. Try it at home and write it below after you do it. Below the comments when you give me a thumbs up when you like the recipe. Had more garlic, more scallion, more thyme. Oh, sell off. I love you. Thank you so much and see you next time. Happy New Year, and whenever you hear about the Christmas, Merry Christmas also. I love you. Bye bye, guys. Love you. Bye bye.